Quit burning rubber! Hello guys, Steve here. I'm with the Kyosho Beetle here. This was gifted to me by the RC Elf. God bless him again. This is a beauty. Thanks for sending me this. You don't know how much I always wanted this kit here, and I thank you a lot from the bottom of my heart. This is an awesome gift. Way to go, RC Elf. Let's run it. All right, let's hit the ball field with this beauty. Oh yeah, she looks like a beauty. I think it's the perfect speed with this 540 in it. Let's get some nice shots of this beauty. 2, 3. Let's go. Woo! It's fun. This is right at home in this stuff. Oh yeah. Let's see what it does here. Trying to hit some jumps and bumps in here. Oh! I just can't hit it right. See from this angle here. Ah. I'll tell you one thing, it's nice. There we're here. Quit burning rubber! That's nice, guys. Really nice. Oh, just lost it there. She's a beaut. Looks so nice going in the sand. Do a slow motion burnout. Ready? Hit it. go try the other field over here. I don't want to run this. Maybe I should run it in the grass. Maybe I'll clean it off. Alright, I'll meet you there because I'm slow and old. Oh, I made it. Whew. This looks better. This is hard packed too. Kind of wet. Oh! I don't want to hit this hard because it's like a... Oh, what the heck was that? These guys didn't see it, but I ran over this fruit thing and it flipped. Let me wipe this off. Look better on film. All right, here she goes. Oh, here I go, messing her up. I always do stupid stuff. Oh, does good stunts. It's not the best of ramps there, it's just a little bump. Woohoo! Look at her burn! Woo! That was nice. Let's see if I could do this right. Oh no! Always on the roof. Is this a divot here? Could it be? Oh, it could be a jump, guys. It just might work. Let's see. Ah, it doesn't. I thought it was big enough to jump. Maybe over here. Nope. That's because this has such good suspension, it soaks it up. This is fun, not gonna lie. Alrighty guys, that's enough of this beauty here. Holy smokes, this is a fun one. It looks so nice out on this sand. I buggered her all up. Oh well, it's meant to use. Let's check out the bottom. What's good about this one, it don't get nothing inside. It's perfectly clean with that cover you put over the chassis. Alright guys, that was the first run. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the RC Elf is watching and he enjoyed it. And I thank him, like I say, I must have said it a billion times. I thank you, RC Elf. It's so awesome what he does and gives us guys some RC cars, the kits to build and even ready to runs. He's a nice guy and I appreciate it. And guys, if you love the video like I love this bug, please leave me a thumbs up. Comment will be sweet. And hit that bell for your future videos so you don't miss them. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks RC Elf. Shen RC out. To the elf.